All right, they are installed and they sound a million times better. I think they look pretty cool too, with the black on white, with the color scheme of the trailer. So I'm calling this one a thorough success. I put the pods on with RTV sealant, so it's watertight. You can see there's the holes on the underside. Hopefully those will help with you know maybe a little bit of bass or whatever. But in any event, if water does get up in there, those will allow it to drain. Also, they will.
Jessica Olsman here, and I know we're all happy to be moving into spring, but you know what comes with that? Allergies. And let me tell you, pollen counts are starting to rise.
They will prevent any bugs from getting in there because I put the screens on the holes. So I gotta put this up, but other than that, the job is done.